Integration with existing data governance practices in federated data governance frameworks. In order to effectively implement a federated data governance framework, it is essential to integrate it with existing data governance practices. This allows organizations to leverage the knowledge, processes, and tools already in place, making the transition to a federated approach more seamless. In this part of the course, we will explore various strategies and best practices for integrating a federated data governance framework with existing practices. Before integrating a federated data governance framework, it is crucial to have a clear understanding of your organization's existing data governance practices. This includes identifying key stakeholders, understanding their roles and responsibilities, and mapping out the current processes and workflows. This assessment will help you identify areas that need improvement and ensure a smooth integration later on. Aligning the goals and objectives of the federated data governance framework with the existing practices is vital for successful integration. Identify the common goals and objectives that both the federated framework and current practices aim to achieve. This could include improving data quality, ensuring data privacy and security, or enabling better decision-making through data governance. Having a shared understanding of these objectives will help drive collaboration and cooperation among various stakeholders. Building effective communication channels is critical for integrating the federated data governance framework. Evaluate and enhance existing communication channels, such as email distribution lists, intranet portals, and team collaboration tools to facilitate communication among diverse stakeholders. Ensure that all relevant parties have access to the necessary information, updates, and decisions related to the Federated Data Governance Initiative. Map out the responsibilities of each role and ensure that there are no conflicting or overlapping tasks. To avoid confusion and duplication of efforts, clearly define roles and responsibilities within the Federated Data Governance Framework and align them with the existing practices. Identify the different data governance roles, such as data stewards, data owners, and data custodians from both the federated framework and the existing practices. Evaluate existing data governance processes and policies and identify areas that can be aligned with the federated data governance framework. Look for similarities in processes, such as data classification, data lineage, data quality assurance, and data access controls. Integrate these processes and policies into the federated framework to avoid duplication and create a seamless data governance experience for stakeholders. Identify the tools and technologies being used in the current data governance practices and assess their compatibility with the federated data governance framework. Look for opportunities to integrate or consolidate existing tools to streamline data governance activities. This could involve leveraging existing data cataloging tools, data lineage tools, data quality tools, or data privacy tools that are compatible with the federated framework. To ensure ongoing governance and compliance, establish a governance structure for the federated data governance framework. This structure should include regular meetings, reporting mechanisms, and accountability measures. Leverage existing governance practices and frameworks to streamline this process. By establishing a clear governance structure, you can proactively address issues, manage risks, and ensure the success of the Federated Data Governance Initiative. Integrating a federated data governance framework with existing practices may require training and support for stakeholders. Develop training materials and workshops to educate individuals on the new framework and its integration with existing processes. Provide ongoing support to address any questions or concerns and ensure smooth adoption of the federated data governance practices. In conclusion, integrating a federated data governance framework with existing practices is essential for a successful implementation. Based on the methods and steps that are outlined in this tutorial, organizations can seamlessly integrate the federated data governance framework and enhance their overall data governance practices.